Thanks for joining this new episode. Today, I wanted to talk about something I think a lot of people feel. When they try AI tools like ChatGPT, they end up thinking the results are just kind of average.
Yeah, I've definitely felt that myself. It's like you ask a question and the answer is, well, not quite what you hoped for. But it's not really the AI's fault, right?
Exactly. It's more about how we approach it. Most folks just jump in, type something quick, and expect a perfect answer. But that's skipping a really important step.
Right, it's like treating AI as a vending machine. You put in a vague question and you expect a smart answer to pop out. But without knowing what you really want, the AI's just guessing.
Yeah, and that guessing leads to, well, average results. The real problem is that people don't pause to think about their goal before asking. That's where this method called TAJ comes in.
TAJ, what's that stand for?
It's simple. Think, ask, judge. 3 steps to get better AI answers. Not complicated prompt engineering, but more like disciplined thinking.
Okay, so first is think. That means before you type anything, you stop and ask yourself, what outcome do I want? Like, am I trying to persuade someone, educate them, or maybe just clarify my own ideas?
Exactly. Instead of saying, write something about marketing, you might say, I'm preparing a 5-minute presentation for startup founders. The goal is to explain why customer validation matters. Use simple language and give one example.
That's a huge difference. It gives the AI a clear direction. Then comes ask, right? Crafting the prompt carefully based on that outcome.
Yeah, you structure the prompt with specifics. Who the audience is, the tone, the length. That shapes the AI's response to be relevant and focused.
And then judge. I think this is where most people stop, but it's so important. You get the AI's answer, but you don't just accept it. You evaluate it. Does it fit your goal? Is it clear? Does it make assumptions you don't agree with?
Right? AI is more like a cognitive amplifier, not a final answer machine. Without judgment, you just get noise. But with judgment, you get clarity.
So if AI feels average, it's not about upgrading the model. It's about upgrading your thinking before you ask. Better questions come from clear thinking, and that's what TAJ helps with.
Yeah, it's really a mindset shift from reacting impulsively to AI to using it as a thinking partner. That's the key.
Makes sense. So next time we use AI, we start with think, then ask, then judge. Simple, but powerful.
Exactly. And that little pause before typing, that's where the magic begins.
Definitely. It's less about the tech and more about how we think. That's a good note to end on.
Agreed. Thanks for diving into this with me.
Thanks for having me. Looking forward to trying TAJ myself.